and our topic also they are very interesting.
I say as a musician. Orgasm name
how
time.
to put a woman into multiple orgasms. A very interesting topic. But quickly, let's look at what orgasm is.
Okay.
What is orgasm in the first place?
Yeah.
Sorry. Orgasm is something that gives woman very good excitement. So it puts a woman in a very good excitement mood. It gives them, it makes them feel more good and enjoy sex and also enjoys their man during sex. But what transpire or what can you get or what process do you go through to get to that level?
To the orgasm.
That means you have to, we know what is called foreplay.
It
is through foreplay that you quickly get into orgasm. So let's look at, then there's something we call romance.
Romance,
yeah. So there's a difference between romance, foreplay, and then possibly the word we are terming or talking about, orgasm.
Orgasm.
And I want to blend the two because normally I have viewership.
Yeah, they talking sad. We always do the local dialect and it's not good for them.
Say a case oba ho beba and pempen so be briana say e kwan ben so na be ma be fa ama oba e ho aye e won paso a na me kire say so oba ho beba bebre no nke yade a oba bia be den e be hia say ne ho beba na so so no e ma ne bebre ne yati ase say omo ho maada ebinom so say omu nimu mpo say oba
ho ba they don't know
yes be ma da na ne ho afọ na be ma no so say bi oni ho abagu ni mu na say so you should condom so ne ho aba na o ma wi na o da ho but orgasm ni e ade bi ase udumu a the horo na hu say yes odie hu onfaso odie ye bibia ade ani je ba fie odie eka oba ni awarefo anase adofo ebom but some do some pempenso na wo ho a wote but ekwan men so na wo be fa obetime nya saa ani tie ni bi na make bibi say bibi ti say foreplay ekwan a mpenifo say emframa hwrema etwetwe
enyom eba
yes ekwan a say wo ne wo yere ana wo mpona wo ho a ya na samo pese ebia mudi mu ho a enumere ye bedi ye ho anopa bedi ye ho awie bedi ye ho enkomo a woni ni bedidi text messages ahodo abesene the way a nkitahudie ya na meka say relationship no nkitahudie hu hia pa the way a mo be fa so edi nkomo ensem bi a wo beta akeka ebe ma oba na hu say because me the type a sabiu se me ne me yire wo ho ana se me ne me hu ni kani wo ho na se ye bon nkomo a owo nsem bi ho ka pe na minim say ne ko yi a code
me
and I be also as me share my tade na to say dia me senior say me share na so ba no around na say yes obeboa me ma share me pega me say na o baby o dey say be fa o dey say fa ma bia me to say no o anka me ankyere me sisi akọ ro person me kire say o kire me say numre me koba
something should happen
a process.
Okay.
If you don't know, a part of the foreplay.
Okay.
Now, romance, when the two of us. Oh,
yeah.
Okay, quickly, Bibi. On a sheet I have, or see, foreplay is a sexual activity that precedes intercourse. It's a sexual activity that precedes intercourse. Foreplay also increases vaginal lubrication. Well, not just say, moya foreplay now. Emma
so you don't need lubricant
yeah say what they wire and you be ne said you be no correct me you said and the so and saliva said the canon and also can say foreplay usually comes between a man and woman during romance.
Okay.
So I say and then it makes a lot of difference between the two parties.
Okay.
So I say 18 one or two places being so if a man friend is sensitive areas.
Okay.
Yeah, there are those places when it gets to foreplay near the act of doing the romance. Now, you need to have a clean hands. You need to have a softer hands.
Yeah.
Dibia meka say sabi oye ma minimum bimnum. Ejuma omo yenti anankomo. Sorry. Omonsemu
can have water.
Yeah. Omonsemu ayedin kakra. It makes sense say yeah omontan enko they
can even do at home a boar like all the fowl and summer then they use
we can who could carry a bit many bread by 1 hour be no after the CC 90 and on science because obi ahokeka and I say nehu muawano a shenanase obi hu muawane shenantem ne said you nantabro ni si from no and the nantem no aha a hona ne hu muawano obi so woni ne nanse obi de woni nankokom so tiase and obi so de woni sirem obi de woni to ase so awo
e to de awe
de di kan no de eno de eno no me kan ya no me dem kroma hwe ya grofo de omo etu
o de awe he
oh me
yes
sister no enti no ebinom so die mema ne ma no ebinom so die wo omachi obi o hado nsafa na chi kwan na da won ma the father said the spinal cord no you will way against our kutino we have a way of doing it so ti ase e na ebinom so die wo omaso achi
okay
aso achi no
okay aso achi is it on sana before you should lick it with the tongue
yeah one sa
okay
baby also will sa let me say me two way obeso me some obeso me some ye moto me chia obabi ko bi say eh na we dey adwuma na we
ye adwuma
so ti ase enye ne sa ye wo cream sa obeto a de bia no
na pa ya no abrem me bi I know abrem me
sister na dey obi ku bi o
ai me nko na say maybe sa
so
yeah,
it's very important.
Yes, it's
so
part of it.
Like I was saying, the foreplay has a lot of transition that you need to go through.
Okay.
Some ladies have it by their toe, by their knee, by the thigh, around the waist, at the back. And then sometimes others also have it by their neck.
Okay.
Others have it around the hair.
Okay.
So in between the hair, sometimes the way you have to rub it romantically. Or smoothly, gently, you understand? And then some ladies also love men to give them peg in a nice way.
Okay.
And then sometimes when you are kissing their forehead, the way you hug them, you should have a good, smell.
Okay.
Or say unye duhembi edikeka wo ho. Edu baby awo ho.
Okay.
Sanyoma no emma dokodi awo ye no, emma ne ye de, emma ne ye fe, emma ni gieba. Ena ede emani yefe emani jieba ena there should always be cordial relationship good communication because when you don't have good communication with your girlfriend your wife and you want to have sex you can't have a foreplay prior to romance because when it gets to romance that means both of you are tight you see the foreplay is when you are lying down I'm lying down. We give gestures. I can touch a place. You go like, oh, like that kind of thing. I say, oh, come on, baby. And then we haven't gotten to the clitoris area yet.
Okay.
You understand?
So let me quickly come in. You want to say, sir, foreplay, like touching, that kind of more romance, can put a woman into her orgasm.
Yeah.
A bit mama not reaching her orgasm through romance. Not just so very much is much span when it comes to relationship and all that. You need that to make it work.
It's very, very vital. You see.
Okay.
And I always say this: you don't need to be at home to even have a foreplay with your wife.
Okay.
You understand?
So also you can do it where?
Oh, come on. Oh, okay. Actually, we know technology is changing.
Okay.
I am sorry, pastors shouldn't get me wrong.
Okay.
But this is something that we cannot stay away with. We cannot do away with. It's something that I know people pretend.
Okay.
They don't like it. It is evil or it is not good. But it has become part of us. And we need to make amends or we need to adjust when the system changes.
Okay.
Your husband can be at home. and you might be on a trip in London, in UK, in any
Let's
part of
you hold that side for me. Quick one.
Okay,
will be outside now.
Na me ka say sisi abefo mfidi abe internet ni ade nti no you say awarefo ana say obi ni obi twem na obehu se be ma no wa akiri oba no so wo akiri na omudi akanya sisi almost be the phone sex.
Okay.
Ebi ni mu di omo ho e wo phone so.
E mo ho ba.
E wo mo ho ba.
I see. Me why be that?
E mo ho ba. Na data maker sa ne say ya na asofo ni before say eye bone to me no enye bone sabe mabo oba ho ka aware no na ye nyina ye pe yedie nti no bibi adwuma nti adwuma bo maba so di me etukwan ko te say America.
Okay.
6 months.
Okay.
Na me job anu amakodi be 6 months and close to a year. It oba nti na ho weekend bi ano mresa. And I say weekdays no on tra ho no mresa. So me pese me yire no be kwa bonten an oba bibia. And you bibi to say phone sex no. And also see a very very important.
It puts you in the mood.
And now say ye churo akonosem ma oba no oba no so churo akonosem e de breme no. And also so bibia and also
okay.
And na me can say, I shall say, na me can be say, me can teach you more, bro. Fumo say,
okay.
Emma, I was set one more back do and son of
multiple orgasm.
Ubetimi any na ada. Yakaso be new be ada. Ya no before so on your buy rather ma no muki ya.
Only
normally sani e kano say, when you ababa wa bi shisha hokra ni so obesraw. Moti dem o said ye na be said ye na bias mother. But answer oba ni be ma be dan be ma ni de ne cotton rubber no say bi ni twem so ti ase. Apart from that no I was say be ma no de bia no utimi so oba ni baby
to say den
baby to say oba bi o ho a ne homoawa no ne homoawa e ma ne honam sori ma na sefo no ne de wo ne na ase.
Okay.
Obi de wo ne nan
tabro. What can ne na ase no nan tabro minim.
Is
it are you witnessing something?
Oh, send me a bema idea. Wouldn't say experience. And a man be so dear omonanko kum.
I see.
Omonanko kum sin or bar, the nanko kum sin. Be dear or and it be so dear or omotuase, and almost ran a cheap.
I see.
And a man be so see, she say.
Okay.
Yeah, mamma, no memory you are no more sitting to crew me in the middle.
I know, be your banner, be the shirt trouser.
Yes, so and a man be so dear or omunufu ano. A bit the animal nufuna ase, ubi also so na so into the anime say, and sunny biddy hono, a garrier very important. And he be used to a nukem.
Okay.
Say, your friend, a year, my minimum kind of lavender, in Nyoma Rama Ebema Akono Abefi.
Okay.
So to say, and I feel so no. A man be more to him. A very, very, very sensitive. And as soon as chino, apart from a cheese scene, as soon as moon so, a honso so be dear or Sabio Mestre, a dinimuso dear woman with him. So, it's you know, Nina be depending who Beman on your banner moody, Sabi.
And Paswagro no. How a mo person money. Okay.
Na e mani bi su die mo mutirim.
Okay.
Ti be mani bi ho oni oba ne nama. Ya, oni ne nam no mo ko work na so baby. Ya don saki ka baby. Ya de ade. Baby o ha don san ka awi akra no mo nam kroma mo na mo bi na don sa fa baby oba ne me de jai say nam krom. Na why you smart no mu sa ade. Edu fia ebekiki.
Ebekiki ti na kiki ne so ma me. Me fi zakwaba.
Thank you, Oba.
Why fair?
That's me.
And now why late fine. And also can hold fair no ho. I fine papa. But your and net topic no. Ye bisa kwa say e ma bebre because who say no ho abada. But no only be matna for years. One in the boyfriend will hold for years, but also onima de you can orgasm. So what is orgasm? They don't know. It's a now what be. Yeah, share orgasm ma. First, maybe say, is it that important? So bani be mother was on huba.
Abena Mechia shefo nyina omo hwe Abugyen enwei. My late omo fanche me mafia omo so pa. My film papa me nya mo hobi mwate. Abena very important. I quite remember school time and me ankasa me go school no. na abribia no meka se me nhia bema one me ada na me ho abada asat me ko school no minim say yes sex bema po breaking me virginity at the age of 22 years kra no me ho amma but the mu ya ne say wedi me na ensuo bi aba wo mase a me ma meka say yes sperm eno ne bema manyem say ma me say sa me ade na me di ye no kra me man ti se me di o but the minimum ne say ye di biribi wura me baby e ma me baby e ye say the bibi e move around what you say and from there ni nyina no me ba eba be wo me ba na still na me nte feelings
onni bi
wodi me ya me ho mma be ma fa me ya me ho mma enti na me bisa me ho se enti die enti na me ma bebre pese omu di ma na omu fa ma na ma bebre nso pese abribia na omu ni me ma enya mpa bi mu agrodie no ede no no me ankasa kwa me bisa sa question no until when a time came and I got a guy here before me ba be yes adie no oni me dia gro said yes enya ni abe ma be ya ma oba obehu se be ni mema enya mpa bi mu agrodie no ede no no me ankasa kwa me bisa sa question no until when a time came and I got a guy here before me ba be yes adie no oni me dia gro said yes enya ni abe ma be ya ma oba obehu se be ma wo ho se me hwe nipa na na gina wona me bisa me ho se na we obetimi aye den but at the end of the day ono na ma me nya atinka bi wo me body mu ma se ye me de
o ti mu dira
ya na me kind of credit am na o sre but me wo ye me de ma me hu say me dru baby ya na e madru because
na die ne ya o de
ya me de
ti first na nim se die de
first no na me nim se die de na no kra ni abna e so me de mu no okwa adwuma no ma ye kra na me frɛ no na me ne na mo so ya na me pese me kyira ne baby ya me pese ya ososo ma me because as a time no say e ma me realize baby ya na ye de ensa so a e ma me
o ye say de na che say eh akaso
oba enye easy honestly speaking as a time I realize say ye ha ma me ya makoma to me yam ne de o ye hwan ni hia na me no okoya I tell you because oka say u be so me mu me ho efenti because that time ma me ke na me ye very cute it's na me ye come up auntie so hia me a like o hwe me said ya metie na o de hye mu a na wagya mu it's not just me no ma me o are you getting my story?
I'm getting your story.
But ono be ma na de wa me so honestly speaking it is very very important. A man lets a woman reach her orgasm at the end of the day no so one reach who say obema foforo betimi awo no
yeah.
Why? Because every time now we are man na one year I'm an rich and say unim say time na me share na ya na enya me de no say me share be fufro na so yeah me de who say me kokai Emma o adwuma mkra na me friend bi say time be na obeba na me share o na me say me share no be kro na o say me ba afide won say na o kire no ho kire me it's not about kotie ne kese enya say de atwa no so ekese tie. It's about nipa na oya de na ma wo no
juma no
oh se de ono ne be ye na ma me no na me ni beje se bre ye otu okuta kose ne kese se den na wantimi anya ne se de mepe obetimi aye de obe ye bia me homma se ye pent up na se oye ne se de mepe a makoma ebetimi like makoma beto me ye mama mani age because the way I only me be di agro me tie ya only me da hai se oka se wo ba be di me na ofuti preko peko so wo ba so be release you it's wo se only me di agro and hwe body na wo hunu se me yi mechi kokokoko na me tu sisi ho kama na se be me twa so hwi me yi galaxy bi na mama you see if you look at all
is a galaxy
say okay so be hwe sa niema we nu mu nyina wo hia ya ho beba because mensana me de beba betu wachi aye se me ne wo ba be di agro e de abeso wo no fu ano abe kese wo e de aba wo kon ase ne niema no wo di anu achi you will release right now and you spoil the game.
Oh my god.
Enti eya botsere play with me
okay
bisa me be bia makono hye na di agro ko sa baby kro na me kire wo da nye de wo pe na wo ye My sister, are you getting my story?
Yes.
But ask me what I want.
Okay.
When me diagram, it won't say you will be a kind of pillow talk. I don't know when you will do this, but you will be say pillow talk. You see, whenever there is problem or whenever you want something from your man, when a times come to talk, I say, "Muda won pemono na matri musum yeno." That is the time. Say me want send me a me pese me catch
when me.
Yo, it's me catch us that time na. Any time na yeah sex no. This is a time we are having a pillow talk. Ye damn pass what ye ni ya ho, but ye di ye ho enkomo.
Okay.
It's me the way to mama James said, James, you know what? Next time, yeah, when me me no for no me chim, me penise no for ni be go on some now do on sack cabo now do bear ma a room mama me up and down. I don't say me can say it
happy
man. Yes, yo.
I'm not say me can say actually wa and panaso no na we say na just kusia na ka no say dey na me call no on penisa ya na me dey twi na senko asa na on penisa nko penisa me dey be di no funtam agro enti na wa pick dey ahye wutirim next time you need not to ask me this
now so fake akaka
and say what the shame say e be ba me ha enti e ba me ha na me dey manu atafre me dey manu na age anu me tan na me dey betachire ma afa anu ama wo ti na ye nyunyunyu ice block bi wo ho a e da manum na ye de ye na ye fe enu ye number 1 number 2 you brush me.
You like brushing?
Yes, I love it. Unya baby you kakra you know anwa
lubricant.
Oh, yeah, na me pe baby we. Normal. E man ye soft ma me na say otrotro. Na de kakra gu ho ma me na odidi wa do won satia me ma o mo remfu ntiti me